Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to connect Trust Wallet to Pancakeswap. This guide will help you seamlessly link your wallet to the popular decentralized exchange. We'll cover the essential steps for both Android and iOS users, ensuring you can access Pancakeswap's features. By the end, you'll be ready to perform token swaps with confidence, making your decentralized finance journey much smoother. Let's get started. Before connecting, make sure your Trust Wallet is ready. First, download and set up the app on your phone. You'll need some BNB Smart Chain or BEP20 tokens in your wallet to cover network fees, often called gas. For Android users, simply open Trust Wallet and find the dApps browser. If you're on an iOS device, you'll use your phone's web browser, such as Safari or Chrome, to visit Pancakeswap. Now, let's connect. Open your preferred mobile browser and go to the official Pancakeswap website. Look for the Connect Wallet button, typically located at the top right, and tap it. From the options presented, select Wallet Connect. Then, choose Trust Wallet from the list of compatible wallets. Your Trust Wallet app will open, prompting you to approve the connection. Confirm this and you'll be successfully linked. With your wallet connected, you can now swap tokens. On the Pancakeswap interface, find and tap the trade or swap option. Next, select the token you want to sell and the token you wish to buy. Input the amount you'd like to swap. For example, you might swap 100 units of a token. Carefully review all transaction details, including any slippage settings, and then confirm the swap in your Trust Wallet. Your new tokens will appear shortly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.